Okay, so to remove the lower motor resistor, I removed the passenger carpet, which requires undoing the seat in both the front and the back. That's two 13mm bolts in the front and then two more in the back, and then you have to take off the side trim that was here, pull up on this, and then take off the side trim that's here. Those come out pretty easily, and then you have to pull the carpet out. You have to wedge it out from around the trunk or the hood release latch, and then the carpet comes out. Maybe you could do it without doing that, but I wouldn't bother because this is pretty tough. Then you have to undo the connections for the gas pedal. So for that, there's one bolt there, one more there, and then one, let's see if I can show you, up there at the top. You can see that. Those are all, I think, 10mm. And then there's a plug right there on the top of the driver's pedal. And then once you undo that, you can completely remove the driver's pedal. And then way back in here, you can just see the connector going to it. That right there is your resistor. So what I did is I wedged both my hands in there. I like got up into this space upside down on my back, wedged both hands up in there, undid the electrical connector. It has a little tab on both sides that you have to undo, and then you can pull that out. And then I used a little adjustable wrench to bite down and kind of loosen this and break it loose. And so you can see here this arrow. So that is the arrow to tighten it. So to loosen it, it sits in the car like this, and so you have to break it this way, pull it out. You can wedge it out. You have to cut back this insulating rubber and foam right here. I thought you could do it without, but you can't. You can see right there where I kind of chewed it up and cut it out a piece, and then you can wedge it out, shove in the replacement. I locked it in with the same method with an adjustable wrench and then reconnect it.